You thought you knew everything about animal communication, but did you know that octopuses have a secret language of colors and patterns? These incredible creatures can change their skin color and texture in an instant, not just for camouflage, but to communicate with other octopuses. Through a complex display of flashing colors and shifting patterns, they can express emotions, signal danger, or even coordinate hunting tactics. This mesmerizing form of communication reveals just how intelligent and mysterious these underwater beings are.